Hello and welcome to Fiskaltrust. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the rollout management in our portal and show you how to create a fully functional CloudCashBox to begin fiscalization. Once you have logged into the portal, navigate to the rollout management in the navigation pane on the left. This is the wizard to roll out our products. Now click on Choose to proceed. Up here you can see the progress bar, which is a 5-step process. Now you have two options, either the business or the technical rollout. The technical rollout is used when you have already done a business rollout or if you want to use our free of charge services. In this case, we will select business rollout as we want to purchase a new product. Here is a list of our products, and there may be multiple products depending on country. Either scroll and look for the product or you can use the search function. In this tutorial, we want to purchase a carefree CloudCashBox. You can see that we have two products with the same name, except one is Purchase New Entitlement and the other one is Move Available Entitlement. Selecting Move Available Entitlement implies that you have already pre-purchased entitlements and have them in stock. In this case, we will pretend we don't have that and purchase a new one. Once you have clicked on Choose, you need to select the POS operator or merchant. For the purpose of this tutorial, I have created two operators. One is Hotel Fiskaltrust and the other one is Fiskaltrust Restaurant in Salzburg. As you can see, the Fiskaltrust Restaurant Salzburg is under the section Not Ready to Roll Out. And down here you can see that the account is missing some information. Should this be the case for you, you'll need to click here and update the prerequisites. Once you are done, click on Save Updates. The POS operator or merchant will then move up to the section here. In this case, we will roll out another account, so the Fiskaltrust Hotel. Once you have ticked in the checkbox, click on the Roll Out One POS operator. In this step, we need to select the outlet you would like to roll out this product to. You can see here that this operator has one outlet. And of course, there can be many more. You can click on the arrow here to expand the list. Now you need to select the designated outlet and click on Roll Out One Outlet. Here you can see an overview, so the product name, the price, the operator and outlet. If everything is okay, you can click on Create Quote. Once a quote is created, you need to click on Add to Basket. Here you can see the overview of the purchase. If all is good, you can proceed by clicking Checkout. Here is the order, and here you can select your preferred payment method. And now you just need to click on Binding Order. Once this process is completed, the CloudCashBox will be created along with the necessary subscriptions in the background. At that point, you will have a fully functional CloudCashBox in your configuration. You can then retrieve the access data, input it into your POS system and begin fiscalization. It can take a few moments until it's completed, but once it's done, click on POS Operator and then Overview. Now click on Configuration in the navigation pane on the left and click on Cashbox. Here you can locate the created Cashbox, open it and retrieve the Cashbox ID and access token. These details can then be entered into the POS system to initiate fiscalization. This was a tutorial for the rollout management in our portal. Should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you and bye for now.